Welcome to Astrokinetics. This video we'll be talking about a tip on the flying knee. If you haven't seen my video already on how to throw a knee, I do talk about throwing a flying knee. And in that video, I was saying that when you do a switch flying knee, you want to pump your leg up, right? And then that one is the one that you're going to use to jump off with to throw the other knee. Pump, land, throw. Wrong. Okay, you can't do it that way. That's not how I do it though, to be honest with you all. When I'm throwing this flying switch knee, I'm pumping this knee still, but as I'm pumping this and as it's kicking back, this other one is coming up. So for a split second, that's where both of my feet are in the air. Let me show you a bit more. One more time. So what you want to do is focus on your momentum. If you're going forward already with this, your hips are already going forward. And when you kick that back, this one should be coming up. So I'm pumping it, and then it's going to go back. It's going to go back, and that's when the other knee comes up. There you go. Just a little tip on the flying knee. My apologies for saying that you're supposed to plant it and then throw the other one. You totally can. I like to be a bit quicker with my movement, and it just makes it a bit more fluid. The risk of it all is that both of your feet are in the air, okay? And if you throw this pump knee and you get punched or pushed or something, and you go with this other one, you're not going to have any power whatsoever, because you're not planted to the ground. You're not rotating, you're pumping, and you're keeping balance with this leg, and if you get pushed back, that's what it might look like. Okay? You just might not do it as efficiently. You have to know when to throw it, and of course you have to be able to throw it. So you have to practice several times. Make sure that you're going straight forward, that your knees are not going to the side, inside, that your power goes away. You want to be aligned. The thing is, you want to be aligned, going forward. Everything is generating power to your knee. My apologies for not explaining that clearly in the other video. It's mixed martial arts. There's not one certain way on how to do things, right? It's like math. There's multiple ways to solve the same problem, okay? Emphasize the arts on mixed martial arts, and you're the art, okay? Your brain is the art. You're creating a style for yourself, and it's really limitless as long as you're able to do it and it's efficient. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.